Hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to Arani Beauty. My name is Swapnali. It's a highly requested video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a whipped soap. So this is the exact one that we will be making. Okay, and I added these two very pretty colors and I just think it looks very pretty. So that's how it looks. It's a very mild soap which you can actually use for your everyday. When you're having bath every day, this is a great thing to use. It's very mild, very gentle, it foams up really well and it gives you a good lather. At the same time, your skin feels really soft. I make the whipped soap base mainly with SCI powder, stearic acid, glycerin, distilled water and preservative obviously. Also, if you want to purchase the base, there are a couple of sites on Amazon and stuff. You can just go and search for whipped soap base. Anyways, without any further ado, let me show you how I make my whipped soap. So to make our whipped soap, we are going to be needing 2 glass bowls. Now along with the glass bowls, we are also going to be using 2 spatulas. I have taken green and blue, you'll understand why. Then I have a fragrance oil. Now guys, when you're making skincare products, you have a different fragrance oil, so you have to use the cosmetic grade fragrance oil. Then here I have again cosmetic grade colors. Now these colors do not stain your skin. If you use food grade, it's gonna be a mess. Okay, then I have a nozzle and a piping bag. The nozzle is a cupcake nozzle and I am repurposing this container of mine in which my own brand body scrub used to be there, but I used it up. So there's that, and here I have some whipped soap base. Now what I do is I can't keep making the base again and again for every small order, right? So I make the base and I store it in a container like this. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to remove my whipped soap base in both these containers, some in one and the other in the other container. Now what I plan to do with this whipped soap is make it like a dual colored whipped soap, which is why we have 2 different containers. Now let me tell you why I chose the green and blue spatulas, because the green spatula will be making some green color and the blue spatula will be making some blue color. Now guys, a personal recommendation: when you are making skincare products, don't make them dark, like any dark green, dark blue, dark pink. It does not look that pretty. Okay, now into this we are also going to be adding in the fragrance oil, which I actually forgot to add along with the color, so I'm adding now. And once you add everything, just mix it. Now obviously you guys don't want to just see me mixing for minutes randomly, so I have fast forwarded the whole mixing process, and that is it. Your whipped soap is basically ready at this point. Now I'm taking the piping bag and I'm gonna put the nozzle in that, and I'm just gonna see how much space the nozzle takes, and accordingly I'm going to make a slit in the piping bag. Now guys, I know this is not eco-friendly, but I'm yet to find an eco-friendly and sanitary option. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pile on the whipped soap. Okay, you will see how I do it, but I'm basically just gonna put in some green, some blue, some green, some blue, just like that. So when I pipe it out, I'll get this beautiful swirl pattern. Okay, and if you want to see how the soap finally turned out, you all can go check out on our Instagram, and so many people have commented such cool names for this whipped soap. But yeah, here let me know in the comments, what do you think this whipped soap should be named. So anyways, I'm just gonna pipe it out, and it just, I think it looks good when you're making like Instagram reels and posts and stuff. It's really good for that time, but actually when the whipped soap goes to your customer or to your friend or whatever, the shape does not really stay. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And yeah, that is basically how the whipped soap looked. And oh my god guys, this was a new formulation I was working on, and it is so soft, so smooth, and that is all you need. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.